ASUS originally announced its new Zenbook Fold 17 back at CES earlier this year. The notebook is soon to be only one of 2 mass-produced foldable devices on the market, and I got my hands on it. The company plans on releasing the new Zenbook 17 Fold soon in certain regions, and while it's still too early to give you a review, I wanted to share some of my hands-on impressions from using the fancy device for a few weeks. Dubbed as the world's first ever foldable laptop, the Asus Zenbook 17 Fold includes some hefty tech in it. Of course, there's the massive foldable OLED panel that powers the experience, and it packs an impressive resolution of 2560 by 1920. Asus has also designed the Zenbook 17 Fold to be extremely versatile when it comes to its modes of use. You can use it by laying completely flat on the table, fold one side up and use the flat side's virtual keyboard to type on, or prop it up like an easel on your table. There are 9 supposed modes here to use by either folding the device or attaching the Bluetooth keyboard to it. How you use it is completely up to you, and I love the freedom of versatility on offer here. While some of these positions might not seem like anything new, the fact that the Zenbook 17 Fold packs a 17-inch display is phenomenal on its own, and having this giant screen in front of you looks out of this world. When you want to pack it away, you simply close the notebook like a literal notebook, and it goes from its 17.3-inch foldable state into a pocket-sized device. The Asus Zenbook 17 Fold also comes with a dedicated Bluetooth keyboard in the box, which you can use for when you're typing and working. The keyboard not only sits nicely outside of the device on the table, but it also magnetically clicks onto one of the surface areas, doubling up as a dedicated keyboard. The keyboard can also fold closed into the pocketbook, so you don't have to worry about carrying it around separately. While using the Asus Zenbook 17 Fold in its various functions, I could not help but feel the inspiration coming from the company's previous products. Like when the Fold is on the table folded and I put the keyboard at the bottom, it gave me serious screen display vibes from the Zenbook Pro 14 Duo. Knowing Asus, it's just a matter of time before the company puts 2 displays into the Zenbook 17 Fold 2. I use a tablet mostly every day, and getting around the Asus Zenbook 17 Fold didn't feel much different. Of course, that's a good thing here. The entire experience feels natural, and Windows 11 does a great job switching around to all the various modes as I folded and turned the device upside down. The Asus Zenbook 17 Fold is also not shy of ports. In fact, Asus has included everything you mostly need here, including 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports and an audio jack combo. It is also easy to charge using one of the Thunderbolt 4 ports. Speaking of charging, this foldable beauty packs a 75 watt per hour battery for an expected 10-hour battery life and boasts easy charge support. When it comes to the internals, Asus didn't skimp on the performance either. It comes equipped with 16GB of RAM and an Intel 12th Gen Core i9-1250U. It is also powered by Intel Iris Xe, so your daily tasks and casual game from the Windows Store will run just fine. But the real magic on this Asus Zenbook 17 Fold is definitely the display, and the company made sure to follow its industry-leading approach to display technology with this foldable panel too. The OLED panel is impressive, the colors are vibrant and punchy, the blacks are deep, and HDR and Dolby Vision support makes the content look amazing on this display. Asus says they test each Zenbook 17 Fold 30,000 times to ensure the hinge is secure and the display stays in tip-top shape. After a week of use, I also barely noticed any sort of crease in the middle of the notebook either. I also need to mention the speakers on this device. They are quite punchy and loud. Asus has included a smart amp in the device, which is used to amplify the sound and control the clarity. It makes watching content quite nice, and even having it open for music is great during the day while I was doing other stuff around the house. There's also a pretty cool camera on the Asus Zenbook 17 Fold. The HD infrared camera includes walk-away lock support, a color sensor to adjust the display's tones depending on your surroundings, and AI features to enhance your image quality when making calls with it. Lastly, we need to talk about the design. This device looks and feels so premium. The bezels are clean, the display takes the center stage here, and the general product feels great. Asus has also performed some magic sorcery voodoo with the monogram logo that is backed up by some floating sphere of some sort, and every direction you look at it, it looks whimsical. Either position you use and whichever way you look at it, the Asus Zenbook 17 Fold looks premium. While closed, it looks like a high-end notebook on your table. Open it and it's incredibly striking with its fantastic OLED display, and even laying it flat on the table, it's like peering into a window into another dimension. Asus has truly created something spectacular here, and it can only help innovate technology going forward. While it's still too early to share a review on this notebook, I wanted to give you a closer look at it as Asus starts to release it to the world. So those are my early impressions of the Asus Zenbook 17 Fold. Are you looking to pick this device up? Let us know down below. Hopefully I'll have a full review available in the coming weeks.